Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. So what's the problem then? The problem is in tiny little writing on my calendar that I've only just noticed today, there is a bonsai show tomorrow, and I wrote it tiny because at the time I knew that it was, I was aware of it, I was probably not going to go. The reason I wasn't going to go is I've got an Orchid Society meeting today, Saturday. And then when I sort of thought about it, I thought, well, hang on, there's no committee meeting, so I don't have to be there till 2 o'clock. And I'll be away by sort of 4:30, 4:45. It's only 3/4 of an hour drive each way. It's not a big deal. Today isn't much of a strain on the resources, but tomorrow is the Sunday chat. Yes? Every time I get that tripod out, you decide to go out, don't you? If you've got one, you know what I mean. Anyway, tomorrow's the Sunday chat, and I don't like missing it. So I'm torn between what will be a long day. If I go to the bonsai show, it's about 80 miles, so it'll be a 2.5 hour drive because it's not on good roads. And again, back again at the end of the day. I'm not sure I can spare money to buy any trees, so I'm sort of thinking to myself, what would I be going for? Well, I'd be going for the entertainment value, plus at that show, because it's in the south of England, or relatively south, Swindon for those who know the country, there will be some people there that I actually know, that I haven't seen since a long time. Because the big show last year, towards the autumn, I ended up bottling out, I didn't go. So there's some people I haven't seen for a year in the bonsai world. Now it's a winter show, so all the deciduous trees wouldn't have any leaves on, so you get to see their structure and their twigs and everything. Obviously the conifers and the pines and things, they'll look as normal. Not quite as fresh and green perhaps as they do in June, July, but yeah, I'm sort of torn as to whether I should go or not. So the only reason I'm doing this video is, if I go, there won't be a video tomorrow. There won't be a Sunday chat. However, I will do some filming to create a bonsai video for the, for the merged garden and bonsai channel. So there'll be a video to go over there of the trees in the show. But the Sunday chat will have to wait till Monday. So all I'm saying is that you might not get a video, an orchid video tomorrow. And I know some people worry if I just go missing without saying anything, especially with a very regular event like the Sunday chat. So if I do go to the bonsai show tomorrow, the Sunday chat will be on Monday. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. It's a decision I probably won't even make till tomorrow morning when I've got up. And sort of, how do I feel? What's the weather like? Yeah? So the decision won't be made until tomorrow, so I won't know whether I'm doing the Sunday chat or not until tomorrow morning. And you'll find out because there won't be a video, or there will. Anyway, I'm nearly ready to go to the Orchid Society meeting now. Not quite, but nearly. Come on then. You didn't really want to go out at all, did you? There's people out there. He's fretting. So although his hearing's not too good, there are some things he does catch. And because he doesn't hear it as well as he perhaps should, he probably doesn't really know what it is. It's just some sort of noise. So he comes in here and makes his own noise. Anyway, I will either see you tomorrow or I will see you on Monday. And decision not made yet. Bye for now.